Hey everyone, another quick video on ticker symbol MVIS. You can see today we are up 17% and we had a massive rally in the morning, not the morning, I would say during the afternoon around 12:30. It went all the way up, came down, all the way up, came down. But what it is doing, it is going up and down, but it is making higher lows, which means that it wants to go higher. So you see the line here, it is just squeezing and squeezing and it is trying to break the 16.5, that resistance, and I'm sure once that resistance is broken, this thing will blow up. So just making this quick video if you want to make some profit using some shares or call option. So whenever we go over 16.6, I think it will blow up and it will run towards 17.5 or $18. But look at the picture, like we are grinding up and up. Each time we go, we come back. Also, it is important, if we can bring 17.6, we might come down, or if we break this upper movement, if we fall below this line, then it might also come down. And why it is increasing, there is no news, but I just looked at the volume leader. Currently this is sitting here, so these are the today's volume leaderboard, and MVS is sitting here 48 million. It's not like a lot of volumes are coming. The average volume is 52 million, and today the volume is 49 million. So it's not like because of high volume the share price is going, it's just going, right? So as we speak, you see what's happening here. At the same time, look at the support and resistance here. So why I'm saying it might go up to $18 or even at least up to 17.5, because you see there is a big gap down after the earning, the big gap down. So I think we will go and try to fill the gap. So definitely I see it will go at around 17.5 or $18, because 18 seems like a better resistance. But if it comes down, it can come down. So how can you play? You can play with some call option. If you do not want to invest a lot of money, just play with the expiration of May 21st and just spend 15 or 16 strike price. We spent around 280 or 240. The one I was playing, I wanted to take some time. I took the June expiry date, and I think I played with $17 strike price, and I paid 36, not 360, I paid more. So I took my profit and came out. Entirely up to you how you want to play. I just wanted to take more time because June 18 will give me more time. In case it comes down, I will have more time to go up again. So but again, seems like 14, 15, 16, any strike price is good. But if you really want to risk, go with 21st of May. And if your target price is around $18, just go with 16 or 17 strike. The premium is 260. So whenever there will be movement, you will just make some money. And while we are speaking, still we are moving within the area. So I'm going to stop here and release the video so that you can see and make some profit. Keep that in mind. We need to break out that 16.6 area, or if we fall below this line, the triangle, then we will move downwards. So look at the price before you get in. Do not get too excited, because this stock can move a lot, but looks nice. 2:45 p.m. The power hour will start very soon, and if more volume are coming, we will go more. And you can see the green candle here seems like we are gonna break. So I'm gonna stop here. Thank you very much for watching this particular video. Take care and subscribe to my channel.